dun sa nangyari sa NBA between
I was, no? I think after a timeout, galing kami sa timeout, napaglingon ko sa court, Eric was in the face of my import. And that's all the way from their bench. So, iniisip ko paano siya nakarating ng gano'n na hindi man lang siya pinigilan ng referees. Also, I was trying to protect my players because he was trying to intimidate my player. I had to do something. So, yun lang. Ganun lang yun. Magkakaibigan naman kami, pero pagdating sa laro, kanya-kanyang protect tayo doon sa mga interest natin. Siguro, ganun din gagawin niya pag ginawa ko yun sa player niya. But, wala naman sa akin yan.
you have some words with him. He has some words with you.
I had some words, but I don't think I need to repeat the words. But I don't also know if he had some words for me kasi hindi naman kami nagkakarinigan siguro. Or baka mas malakas lang yung boses ko. Wala. I don't know. Ano naman yan? Pare-pareho naman kaming kasama sa PBA family. That can be remedied.